Imagine a world where objects can change their shape and function over time, adapting to their environment and responding to external stimuli. This isn't science fiction, it's the incredible promise of 4D printing, a revolutionary technology poised to reshape our world. 4D printing, also known as four-dimensional printing, takes traditional 3D printing a giant leap forward by incorporating the dimension of time. This means that 4D printed objects can transform themselves over time, responding to factors like heat, light, or even pressure. Picture this: a pipeline that can automatically repair cracks, or a medical implant that adjusts its shape as the body heals. These are just a few examples of the transformative potential of 4D printing, a technology that blurs the lines between static objects and dynamic systems. It's a world where design becomes intelligent, where materials have memory, and where the impossible becomes possible. This revolutionary technology is still in its early stages, but its potential applications are staggering, spanning across industries and touching every aspect of our lives. From personalized medicine to self-assembling structures, 4D printing promises a future where the line between the digital and physical worlds blurs, unlocking unprecedented possibilities for innovation and creativity. 4D printing is poised to revolutionize healthcare, offering groundbreaking solutions for personalized medicine and beyond. Imagine self-assembling stents that expand within the body, eliminating the need for invasive surgery. Picture bioprinted organs created using a patient's own cells that address the critical shortage of organ donors. 4D printing can create customized prosthetics that adapt to a person's movements, providing unparalleled comfort and functionality. Imagine biocompatible implants that release drugs precisely when and where they are needed, revolutionizing drug delivery and improving patient outcomes. The possibilities are limitless. 4D printing empowers medical professionals with tools to treat diseases in entirely new ways, offering targeted therapies and personalized solutions. This revolutionary technology has the potential to significantly improve patient care, enhance recovery rates, and ultimately save lives. The manufacturing industry is on the cusp of a paradigm shift, driven by the transformative power of 4D printing. Imagine factories producing customized products on demand, tailored to individual customer needs. Picture self-assembling furniture that adjusts to different room sizes and configurations, eliminating the hassle of complex assembly instructions. 4D printing can create lightweight yet incredibly strong materials for aerospace and automotive applications, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Imagine self-repairing pipelines and infrastructure, minimizing maintenance costs and environmental risks. The possibilities are vast. 4D printing empowers manufacturers to embrace flexible, on-demand production models, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. This revolutionary technology will unleash a new era of customized, sustainable, and intelligent manufacturing, transforming the way we design, produce, and consume goods. Section 4. Consumer Products. Get smart. From self-repairing phones to shape-shifting furniture. 4D printing is set to revolutionize the consumer products landscape, bringing us closer to a world of intelligent, responsive, and personalized experiences. Imagine smartphones that can self-repair cracked screens, eliminating the frustration of costly repairs. Picture shoes that adapt to different terrains and weather conditions, providing optimal comfort and support. 4D printing can create clothing that adjusts its fit and insulation based on body temperature and environmental factors, ensuring ultimate comfort in any weather. Imagine toys that transform into different shapes, sparking creativity and imagination in children. The possibilities are endless. 4D printing empowers designers and engineers to create products that are not only functional, but also responsive and adaptable, enhancing our daily lives in countless ways. This revolutionary technology will usher in a new era of consumer products that seamlessly integrate with our needs and preferences, blurring the lines between the physical and digital realms. Section 5. Reimagining Infrastructure 4D. Printing for a sustainable future. 4D printing holds immense potential for revolutionizing infrastructure development, paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient future. Imagine self-healing concrete that can repair cracks and damage, extending the lifespan of bridges, roads, and buildings. Picture pipelines that can adapt to changing environmental conditions, minimizing the risk of leaks and spills. 4D printing can create responsive building materials that regulate temperature and energy consumption, reducing our reliance on traditional heating and cooling systems. Imagine adaptable urban environments that respond to real-time data, optimizing traffic flow and enhancing public safety. The possibilities are transformative. 4D printing empowers us to rethink the way we design, build, and maintain our infrastructure, creating a more sustainable, resilient, and adaptable world. This revolutionary technology will be instrumental in addressing global challenges such as climate change, urbanization, and resource scarcity, paving the way for a brighter future for generations to come. Section 6. The future unfolds, a world transformed by 4D printing. As 4D printing technology continues to advance, its impact on our world will only become more profound. We are on the cusp of a new era of intelligent design, where materials can sense, adapt, and transform, blurring the line between the physical and digital realms. This transformative technology will revolutionize industries, reshape economies, and redefine the very fabric of our daily lives. The future holds boundless possibilities for 4D printing, from self-assembling homes to personalized medicine, from self-repairing infrastructure to shape-shifting fashion. This revolutionary technology has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to resource scarcity, while also unlocking unprecedented levels of creativity, innovation, and human potential. The future unfolds before us, brimming with the transformative power of 4D printing. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, one thing is certain: the world as we know it is about to change in ways we can only begin to imagine. It's a future where the impossible becomes possible, where innovation knows no bounds, and where the only limit is the power of our collective imagination.